My beloved child, listen to my voice and let it settle in your heart. I know the betrayal still lives in your memory. I know the confusion you felt when someone you trusted chose to wound you instead of protect you. You replayed moments in your mind, asking what you did wrong, why you were treated that way, and how things changed so suddenly. I saw every moment. I saw the truth they hid. I saw the intentions behind their words and actions, and I want you to know this clearly today. The person who betrayed you did not win. They thought your pain would silence you. They assumed your fall would be final, but they did not see what I was doing in secret. I never left your side. I was strengthening you even when you felt weak. I was covering you even when you felt exposed. Betrayal did not disqualify you. It refined you. What they meant to harm you, I have already turned for your good. You were not abandoned. You were being repositioned. I removed you from what could not go where I am taking you. That separation was not loss. It was protection. I know you questioned your worth, but hear me. Your value never changed in my eyes. I still call you chosen. I still call you loved. I still call you mine. Do not measure your future by someone else's failure to honor you. I am restoring what was stolen, piece by piece, not always by returning the past, but by creating something far greater ahead. I am healing your heart, your trust, and your confidence. I am teaching you discernment without bitterness, strength without pride, and faith without fear. There are doors opening that the one who hurt you will never walk through. There are blessings prepared that required you to let go first. Do not rush the process. Healing takes time, but I am faithful to complete what I started. Every tear you cried mattered. Every prayer you whispered was heard. And now I am calling you forward. Lift your head. Do not look back. You are not broken. You are becoming. If this message resonates with your spirit, I want you to like this video as a step of faith and agreement. Comment Amen or write I receive restoration, because your words align you with what heaven is releasing. And if you desire deeper understanding of why this betrayal happened and how I am using it to elevate you, I invite you to watch the full long message linked below, where I reveal the next chapter of your journey. Remember, you did not lose, you were redirected, and I am walking with you into a future filled with peace, purpose, and restoration.